Hello, good day, everyone. You are welcome back. If today is your first day of seeing my page or come across my page and you have not followed, what are you waiting for? Auntie, sister, mama, papa, brother, uncle, what are you waiting for? Please now help a sister, help your girl as you do. May God bless you. You can't just watch and go like that. Now, as you watch, you like. As you watch, you comment. Okay, now, guys. And to all my fans out there, for those have been following me on this page, I say may God bless you all. As soon as they like my video, as soon as they follow me, may God bless all of you now. Okay, guys. So in today's video, my people, here we are making fish sauce. Oh yeah, what did you hear? I said fish sauce. Now the way we want make today, guys. Okay. So as soon as I for the beginning of the video, you will see red bell pepper, yellow bell pepper, and green pepper, some fresh pepper which is called atarado, and onion. So everything have been washable, and here we have blended the fresh pepper and everything together, and here we are blending the atarado and the onions, guys. So as soon as they see, this is our fish. This is the fish we are going to be using. As you can see, guys, almost see if you now test this my fish sauce, you will lick your finger. More with the vanilla and the go. So my people, we have already washed and cutting the fish, as you can see. And here I'm putting all my seasoning. You can put anything you know that you have that you are using. So this is me. This is what I have. Curry, thyme. As you can see on the video, this is my seasoning. Putting everything. Okay, guys. Anything you know that you use to seasoning your chicken, so is what you can be using, and this is what I'm using, guys. So here I put a little water for the fish to be cookingable, to be doneable. Okay, here our fish is readyable, so we're about to remove it from the pot, guys, because I'll be using the same pot for the sauce. So this is me putting the pot on the fire, and some oil, onions, and turning, guys. If you taste this my sauce, the kind of aroma that is coming out, all my neighbor were saying, neighbor, you have started again. I say, see me, oh, not today be today. Oh, yeah, more the vanilla, they go, my people. So these are the blended pepper we just put on the pot. So we are turning it, guys, and later we cover it for the sauce to be done, to be readyable. As you can see, everywhere the potpourri, my people. If you see the aroma when they come out from my kitchen, this one and the stock of the fish. Okay, that is what I just put, and so seasoning cube. I bet Maggie, my people, yeah, na small salt, because we don't already use salt to make the fish before. So we just added everything now, and we are going to cover it again for it to be ready. Here are the fish. Now the fish be this, so now this one be the okoko way dey inside. Now this one be the orishi. Yeah, me I dey remove all the bones because I have children. I don't want the bone to choke them. All right, guys. So I remove everything. You can use your as you want it, but this is my choice of how I want to make my fish sauce, guys. So, and we are putting all the fish inside the sauce. Almost see the aroma. Oh my god, my children were asking, mommy, please, when is it going to be ready, neighbor? I say, be calming down, we are almost there, we are getting somewhere. And in this sauce, my people, you can use it to eat yam, sweet potatoes, you can use it to eat rice as well. But as for me, I choose yam. And here is crayfish. You can make this sauce without crayfish. E no go make sense. They no too make sense without crayfish. So we cover am, make the crayfish enter inside wella. So here guys, we are done, and thank you for watching, and follow for more please. If you are not follow, more, what are you waiting for? Oh yeah, now let's go guys. Thank you very much, and bye bye.